Hey everyone, so I finally woke up to some positive news for Shiba Inu today. Shiba Inu coin strides out with renewal collaborative Mark Cuban paid his valuable remarks on Shiba Inu since it has managed to secure a good deal for investors with a bit of subtle maneuvering. So this is new news, be sure to drop a like. We saw this when Elon Musk also tweeted about it. In the region of Sichuan and Inner Mongolia, many Bitcoin traders were arrested and those who particularly indulged in cryptocurrency. All of a sudden, cryptocurrency fell victim to severe downfall, which has led the investors severely disappointed. Owning to the tragedy of people from all corners of the earth have failed badly on cryptocurrency. Henceforth, it has seen the grim prospect. And CEO of Mundrex told the Economic Times that as long as there is strong support of high-profile traders, nothing would affect crypto except a temporary vitality in the market. Sooner, good news released from Weibo, China's Twitter-like microblog about meme coin Shiba Inu has besieged beyond holding the people's attention in China. Nearly 180 million people paid positive remarks, which have pushed the meme coin up to a very positive price point for what we're seeing so far. So we're going to be seeing more positive news so far as China is now backing Shiba Inu. Well, not China by itself, but a Chinese community from what we're seeing so far. And if we once again get Chinese traders to buy into crypto, to buy into Shiba Inu, that would be massive. So obviously this kind of article had a few spelling errors here, but it showed us something else. Now there's another big partnerships coming you don't know about, which we also have to talk about Robinhood later on. Why Shiba Inu is not in CoinSwitch Uber app and they might be facing an issue. What is CoinSwitch Uber? Has over 4.5 million users on its platform, over 120 employees. It's one of the leading exchanges in cryptocurrency ecosystem. Unlike Binance or Coinbase, CoinSwitch does not custody user funds. So they do not custody anything. We know a lot about Shiba Inu, but unavailable on CoinSwitch. And there's a new big exchange coming if they actually do abide by the exchanges. Yes, currently Shiba Inu coin is not available on CoinSwitch Uber. You can trade Shiba Inu on the CoinDCX platform. Right now, the trading option isn't available on CoinSwitch, but it will soon be available. Warzix is also working on bringing Shiba Inu to the board. So Warzix is an Indian exchange, and that's the next big thing. Wazirix, sorry, and soon you will be able to see it on CoinSwitch Kubir too. So I think these are big partnerships again happening that we need to see. But thank you Uber Eats for being amazing. Please take SHIB as a form of payment, and in the future we could be seeing big collaborations. But going to the real news now, and that is Robinhood will offer IPO shares to its own users, highlighting the company's dependence on complex high-risk bets. So I'll just be going through a minute over here on what they talk, and I want to say here that we do not have to rely on Robinhood anymore, and this is my own honest opinion. I think if Robinhood does list it, they will need to play by Shiba Swap's rules from what I understand.
Adversely affect our financials going forward, which I thought was funny, but also, is very revealing of just how far, Robinhood extends itself into the crypto market and is a popular vehicle.
So Robinhood seriously went into meme coins. They're basically 34% of it is backed by meme coins. The whole Robinhood is based by cryptocurrency so far. So a large portion of that.
For trading some of these meme stocks and also obviously meme coins. So that's the nugget that stood out to me. I mean, David, you could probably find a nugget or two in there.
Yeah, I think the other one that a lot of people pointed to, well, there's two numbers that are very closely related. One is that 50% of all Robinhood traders are apparently first-time investors. And the other number that when you put it next to it is utterly terrifying is that 38% of all Robinhood revenue came from options trading. So you look at those two things, and options are very complicated.
So right now, Robinhood is a huge risk, and if someone invested into Shiba Inu and just saw the price falling down, he would not be happy is what I'm seeing so far. And if people like gambling on Robinhood, then it's happening. And right now Robinhood is basically going public, And we're seeing here, think about it, when you buy the Robinhood IPO through the Robinhood app, you're actively increasing the value of that stock twice. Not only are you pushing demand for the stock, you're also giving the company more of the trading data and price spreads from which it profits. It's brilliant, or at least fascinating, like watching a snake eat its own tail. And what people are saying, as reported yesterday, filing has also revealed that Robinhood made 34% of its cryptocurrency trading revenue and about 6% of its total revenue on Dogecoin trades. So if they list Shiba Inu, which they possibly will be since we have 170,000, they have to play by Shiba Inu's rules. Now we're big enough. Now we're strong enough. Yes, Robinhood would seriously increase the price, but what we're seeing so far, if it gets listed on Robinhood, the new users will need to be able to stake the coins through Robinhood. To stake their coins on Shiba Swap through a Robinhood is the most important thing. Otherwise, they're missing out, and they just need to convert it to MetaMask. And he came to believe he was 750,000 in red. Robinhood recently settled a civil lawsuit with Karen's family, as well as paying 70 million, a very big fine. It's structured to profit from trade volume. The app encourages active, perhaps manic trading. And what we're seeing is I'm encouraging people to buy a very, very, very low cost index fund and hold it for 50 years, chimed in Warren Buffett, Munger's longtime Berkshire Hathaway partner, in the same interview. I will guarantee you that it will not walk in there and get that advice. So people are doing big risk on Robinhood right now. And what this means for Shiba Inu is that if Shiba Inu gets listed there, a lot of people are going to be buying Shiba Inu as well. Shiba Inu is not that volatile as some cryptocurrencies out there, but people are buying stocks to go up and down. And Robinhood more than tripled revenue during that period from what I was talking before. But susceptible to cheap serotonin highs will stop using Robinhood. A lot of users will stop doing that. We already got a leading indicator here in Coinbase, which IPO directly into the top of crypto market. With the market slumped post-IPO, Coinbase stock dropped more than 25%. So because eventually the stock market will dip or the meme trade will have a few bigger failures, or amateur active traders will finally just accept that they're losing money and it will never stop. So what we're seeing so far, 80% of day traders actually lose money. And the same things go, they want to kind of make Robinhood the next safe thing. With some of those to happen, a lot of users, mostly the ones who aren't susceptible to cheap highs. So before you're kind of few and ronin, and that means Robinhood will be a much smaller business than any projection based on the recent data would suggest. So Robinhood is getting smaller and smaller, and Shiba Inu coin is getting bigger and bigger. And I'm not sure why they haven't listed us before, but this is a pretty good indicator we're seeing so far. Now, India could hit international crypto exchange with an initial 18% tax, and most Indian exchanges pay the goods and service tax on their profits and commissions in the absence of clarity from the country's tax and authority. And going back and finishing off with Robinhood, now Robinhood is entirely dependent on Shiba Inu's growth, because Shiba Inu is one of the biggest coins right now. Yes, it's 30 on market cap, but it's the most talked coin. And if people not only use Dogecoin, but also use Shiba Inu, that would be massive for Robinhood. But then again, we've been waiting for Robinhood for some time now, so we'll see how they do. Hopefully they list it pretty soon. But however, the country's tax authority is examining where they would be subject to levy, which is paid on all transactions involving goods and services. Most Indian exchanges pay the 18% GCT. So India is actually going hard on cryptocurrency right now, and I think that's completely fine. I think they're going to be going hard on cryptocurrency for the next 10 years, and then they're slowly going to be letting it back in. So India appeared in the recent months to be moving to an outright ban on crypto. That we shall see. There were signs in June the government would take a more lenient approach and let crypto traders do their own thing. So if we get, a crypto ban in India, this is not looking good for Shiba Inu. But if this turns around and they're just regulating it, which is a good thing, if they're just going to tax the exchanges, this is definitely a better thing. If they're going to be adding an 18% tax, an additional 18% tax, I think that's a much, much better thing than just banning crypto outright. Because banning Shiba Inu in India would just make it decentralized. It wouldn't make it decentralized, right? So I definitely do think in the future we're going to be seeing some big steps in India. So we're just waiting for India's moves right now. Are they going to be banning it? No, I don't think so. I don't think they're going to be banning cryptocurrency. I don't think they're going to be banning Shiba Inu. I think a lot of holders from India actually hold Shiba Inu, if you did not know. About 10% of my viewers is from India, so shout out to you guys. But what we really have to see here is how and which countries are going to be using Bitcoin as legal tender. And in the future, what will happen with SHIB on Coinbase? What will happen with SHIB on Robinhood? Will people there be able to stake their coins on Shiba Swap? Will they be able to bury? Will they able to dig? Will they be able to get the rewards they need? And that is something we need to find out. Until next time, be sure to drop a like, and thank you so much for watching. Peace, everyone.